AI agents and GPTs represent one of the newest and most explosive passive income opportunities. Instead of building a full software product, you can create specialized AI agents that solve a specific problem, such as writing emails, designing images, analyzing data, generating scripts, summarizing documents, or performing research. These agents operate like digital products. Once created, they can be sold, licensed, or offered as a subscription, often requiring little to no maintenance. This allows you to generate recurring passive income with minimal ongoing effort. With the right positioning and niche targeting, even simple GPTs can attract thousands of users. As AI adoption grows, people are looking for ready-made AI assistants to handle their tasks, and this creates a huge monetization opportunity. One of the easiest ways to monetize AI is by publishing GPTs in AI marketplaces like the OpenAI GPT store or niche platforms. These stores already have built-in traffic, so your GPT can attract users with no advertising budget. The key is to create highly specialized GPTs for real estate agents, teachers, content creators, freelancers, marketers, consultants, or students. When your GPT solves a recurring, time-consuming problem, users are more likely to subscribe or pay usage fees. You can also optimize your GPT listing with keywords, descriptions, instructions, and examples so it climbs search rankings inside the marketplace. Promote your GPT on TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Pinterest to increase visibility. Once your GPT gains traction, it becomes an asset generating revenue every day. Businesses are adopting AI at record speed, but most don't know how to build or integrate custom agents. This creates a powerful income opportunity for creators who can design, prompt, and structure AI agents tailored to specific business needs. You can build AI customer support agents, onboarding agents, research assistants, scheduling bots, sales assistants, or workflow automators. Companies are willing to pay premium prices for a one-time build or ongoing monthly maintenance. You don't need to code. Most agents can be built with prompt engineering and no-code tools. The demand is huge and growing. Once you create a template, you can replicate it for multiple clients, turning it into a semi-passive income stream. Eventually, you can transform these agents into standalone SaaS products. No-code AI app platforms allow you to build fully functional applications without writing a line of code. You can connect AI models through APIs and create tools like content generators, SEO analyzers, business planners, script builders, resume enhancers, marketing assistants, and calculators. These apps take just days, not months to build. Once launched, you can monetize through subscriptions, usage-based credits, lifetime deals, or selling templates. Because no-code apps require almost no setup cost and have unlimited scalability. They offer one of the best profit margins across all passive income streams. As your user base grows, you can automate onboarding, support, and billing, so the app runs nearly on autopilot. This model allows you to build your own AI micro SaaS without needing technical expertise. There are multiple ways to monetize GPTs, custom agents, and AI apps, and the best strategy is often using a mix. Monthly subscriptions provide predictable recurring income, making them the most powerful revenue model. Usage-based credits are ideal for apps that process large amounts of data or content. One-time purchases or lifetime deals attract early adopters and give you quick cash flow. Licensing agreements allow businesses to use your AI tools internally for a premium fee. And if you publish your GPTs in marketplaces, you can earn through revenue sharing while benefiting from built-in platform traffic. The beauty of AI products is that once they're created, they can generate revenue repeatedly with minimal maintenance. Over time, you can build a portfolio of agents and apps that work for you around the clock.